Welcome guys to another episode of I Love What I Do with your boy Chrizflex. Today I'll show you how to perform a leg lounge. But before we start that, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and you'll see more and more useful content. Let's get to work.
Keep you near the cross, and may your troubles show that you need God, and may your battles in the way they should, and may your bad days prove that God is good.
Okay, so how do you perform a leg lounge? It's very simple. What you have to do is put your leg out, your first leg out, next one. It's basically like walking. So this is what I mean. So what it means, I mean it. The first one goes out, then the next one goes out. So it's basically walking. So you are 1 and 2. That's just the simple basics, okay? So the next video you're going to see is me with the weight. Let's get working, okay? Alright, so that's basically how to perform a leg lounge. The principle there is first leg out, then the next leg. Basically you are walking but you are on a squat position. That's how we do it. So if you love this video, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Remember to hit the notification button so that you have more videos when we upload, okay? This is me signing out. Remember, I love what I do and I do what I love. Chrizflex.